inspiration behind this new destiny for Sounds of Colombia is to showcase one of Colombia's most diverse regions. In the southwestern part of the country, we find marimba music, Andean string music. The salsa is very unique and special.
Es un ejercicio donde las personas de la comunidad son anfitriones naturales, donde reciben a las personas con toda su alegría, con todo su corazón. Ese es el tipo de experiencias que buscamos en Marimbea, una experiencia inmersiva donde no solamente vas a apreciar la música o apreciar la danza, sino meternos lo más profundo posible, vibrar desde adentro con estas tradiciones, entender mucho mejor los rituales y la idiosincrasia de la comunidad afro del Pacífico colombiano.
For us at Impulse Travel, it's such an honor to create this trip that goes to the Pacific coast and that experience the Pacific culture of Colombia. The Pacific is so rich, the people are so loving, the food is so amazing, and it's also a community that has a very powerful story that is worth experiencing and travel.
We also want to show local communities that tourism is not just about visiting big cities, monuments, and sunny beaches. The fact that we're going directly to the source and to meet them is also a way of saying we admire who you are, we respect who you are, and we hope that you and your generations can carry these traditions because they are worth it. Your kids, and they're part of a very important human experience.
If you're looking for a trip that it's about music, it's about community, that it's about nature, if you're looking for a place where there's no many other tourists, if you're looking for an experience that goes beyond everything, that it's very authentic, that is very close with the local communities, then you cannot miss our next Sounds of Colombia Pacific version. Looking forward to see you there.